I'll check this out. Hey, he's flying. Going right for the circle. Smooth. Nice. What are we getting into?
Mount Williwaw.
Mount Williwaw. We got bigger packs on.
2 days.
2 days.
We're going up Little Maui, up the gully, up and over Little Maui to the ball field. There's some cool lakes up there, beautiful lakes up there. And we're gonna go down into the Williwaw lakes and then just head straight towards the base of the mountain, set up camp, and then just head up it tomorrow and just go from there. Yeah, get the best view in the house.
Hell yeah.
It's always great waking up in the mountains.
Oh yeah. So we're at the base of the gully. Now I'm feeling my pack. I might have overpacked, but hey, we're gonna get up there. Right, no problem. Just kidding, these packs are really heavy.
It's so heavy, dude. It's so heavy. I'm sweating so much.
You got the sun setting on Anchorage, Alaska, and setting on us. Oh yeah. Getting a little darker.
That time can be pretty fucking big.
Are we going down this chute?
Yeah.
Hey, all right. It's getting dark fast as soon as we came down this valley. So it is definitely getting dark. The picture, not a lot of light for us. So I don't even know if you guys can really see me. It's definitely hard to see out on the trail at all. Gonna go make camp in the dark. So it's 11:08:09 and we just found a spot that we're gonna call camp for the night. So got my tent all set up. Now I'm gonna try to start a fire. We do got a fireplace here at our makeshift camp that we have. Let's go on a little adventure, guys. All right, we're here by the fire, camping out at the base of Williwaw. I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see anything right now. All right, just woke up, 8:21. All right. Oh yeah. This is our little campfire. Did good with sticks. Let's see if we can get something going again for this morning. So the fire, we still had some coals and just threw a little bit of wood on there and bada bing, bada boom. And scooped some water from the little river. We got it on a boil. And then we'll eat some breakfast. There we go. So the sun just peeked over the mountain. We made some coffee. It's good. We're having fun. Nice. There's the temperature change that we've been waiting for.
Oh man.
Now we're ready to go hiking. Kevin. All right. Day 2 of Williwaw. I can't see it. We decided it's not either one of these. It's behind. We had help from a runner. Anyways, we're gonna hit it. Day number
Number 2.
Two.
Número 2.
Oh, 2.
High five. My bad.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is awesome! So we've got Rock Lake here. We've got Mount Williwaw.
I think it splits off, you know, where the other people were camping.
Mount Williwaw right there. And we decided, rather than going up the snow chute, we're going to get up onto this. We're going to zigzag up and around and go for it. Yeah, buddy. They're coming up or down? Mosey that way. Rest when I'm dead, maybe? Maybe. It's not that way.
Yeah, well, you gotta go up a little bit and then cross over instead of climbing straight up the Williwaw. Here, but it's best to go up and then back over.
All right.
Not hurt.
Dip. To rock going.
Seems like that was the hardest part. And then just like right down over here. Right down over here.
Don't go over that.
Hiya. This is progressing to be a pretty crazy hike, guys. Oh yeah, yeah baby, yeah baby. Oh. Oh, nice. Woo! Made it. Oh heck yeah, guys. Oh my god. Don't look that way. I feel like this is a huge shelf. I don't want to go over it too much. Whoa. Right along this crazy cliff line. 126 in the day. 6 miles and 6.9. 5.5 hours. A little bit more. Total from yesterday as well. Birthday, Kevin. Brother.
Really cool. Amazing. Yeah, really cool. You'll sign that registry.
So let's sit down. What do we got here? Don't let it blow away.
Won't be pictures and we're sitting in the clouds. Wahoo!
So it is, what's the date, guys?
22nd.
So we're at
Yeah.
8 hour. I'll have you guys.
7.18.
So we're heading back down and we're heading back.
Energy.
I said that already. Yeah.
Right, am I too high? Or we cry rest right here?
Yeah.
There's the rock on the city. I believe in miracles.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let it go. Yeah.
No gear rock climbing, I guess. Wow, look at that big maggot. Look at that big thing. Worming its way around. Huh. Whew.
Rock, little one, Justice, come your way.
Oh gosh, I feel so much better. Oh, so that was probably, I felt like we all can say that was a really sketchy spot getting up and around this, but
100% sketchy.
below here,
Yeah, right here.
getting closer to the bottom. A couple little scary spots and touchy sketchy.
This is not at the death point.
Yeah, it's like, okay, we're finally off the death traps. Oh, wow. Flat ground. Oh, good job, friend. Good job, buddies. Take the rocks out of my shoes. Oh my God, I just can't stop the momentum. Good job, man. Yes, it does feel so good to be off of that.
Brisket.
Oh. Something got done
I think at 8.
a long time ago, bleached out, but kill pile.
We got 8.
Here's the tents. On my stopwatch, 9.36 miles, 9 hours combined with yesterday. And then it's 4:52, so 6 hours, that's kind of what we guessed.
Wow.
So we're packing up, we're gonna get out of here. We're getting the fuck home. So it's funny, we actually walked all the way down from the backside of O'Malley Gulch and walked to our campsite, and all of this in basically complete darkness. Like, we had to put the headlamps on and it was very dark. Yeah. So we totally missed all this scenery. Well, we got about 3 more miles. Coming down and around. Oh, knees giving me a little trouble. Okay, a lot of trouble, but it's okay. It's okay. Since actually the beginning of the day. Loop, Williwaw Lakes.
Powerline Trail.
I think we're definitely going towards Powerline Trail. No, we're on out of here. But yeah, we can see where we need to go. Between that little dip right there is the Glen Alps parking lot where I parked my car last night. So we'll get out of here. It's starting to rain. And I'm glad that we decided to come back, because we'd be sitting in camp all night long being wet and trying to have a fire, and it just wouldn't be the same. So we sent it.